I'm going to be starting with this middle part here. What we're going to do is going to do a magic circle. You want to wrap the yarn around your 3 last fingers, cross it over at the top, hook the hook under the first piece of yarn, grab the second piece, and you want to pull it through, wrap it round. Then you just grab the rest of the yarn and you want to chain up 1, chain up 2 and 3, because we're going to be doing double crochets. So you want to do 1 double crochet there and 2 double crochets, because the first chain was 1 double crochet, so that's creating 1 cluster. So then you want to chain up 2, because this is going to be your corner, and then you want to do another cluster. So you're going to do 1 double crochet, then you're going to do 2 double crochets, and then 3 double crochets, and then you want to chain up 2, and you're going to do that 2 more times, so 2 more clusters. So while you're doing the circle, if you see that your end piece here is quite short, you can pull it a bit like so, and then you can continue your clusters and chaining and all that. Alright, now that you've done 4 clusters, that's the end of the, you want to chain 2, sorry. And then you can grab that end piece, pull it all the way, and then you have formed your granny square. So you want to grab so pretty much you want to slip stitch into that 3rd chain we did at the beginning. And then you just want to cut it off. Alright, next part. Next we're going to be working on this second part. So you see how there's 1, 2, 3, 4 corners? We're going to start in one of the corners away from the end where we just finished. So we're going to grab our new piece of yarn, hook it over the hook, pull through, and then we're going to chain 1, but we're going to pull tight because that's going to be like our knot. So then we're going to chain another 3. So that first one doesn't really count. Then you're just going to chain, do 2 double crochets, because that will complete your cluster. Then you want to do into the next corner 1 double crochet, another double crochet, so you want 3 double crochets in here, and then you will chain up 2, because this is going to be a corner, and then you're going to do another 3 double crochets. So that's how your corners are going to look. It'll be 3 double crochets, 2 chains, another 3 double crochets. And usually I like to tuck in the ends as well of my yarn, just to make it neat and less work for me to do at the end. So now we're at the end of that. You're going to chain up 2 and do the same, insert it into the 3rd chain of the beginning. Now we're going to do this pink section here. So as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes. We're going to start in one of the side holes. So we're going to do the same. We're going to put the yarn over the hook, pull it through. We're going to chain 1. That's going to be our knot. So then you pull the end tight. Then you're going to chain 3 more times to be your beginning of your double crochet. So that's your first double crochet, and then in this section we'll only do 3 double crochets because they're not the corners, they're the side pieces. So only 3, no chaining 2 here. So you just do 3 double crochets, and then we're moving on to the corner. So there'll be 3 double crochets in here, chain 2, and then another 3 double crochets. and then moving on to the side hole, there will just be 3 double crochets in there, and then you move on to a corner. So 1, 2 and 3, and then you just move on to the corner. So 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. So